Theokhronos, Part 4. Then notice what creation by Theokhronos means. Theokhronos describes a creation attribute of God recognized by man, which name implies there is nothing that God does not have absolute direct control of. He who controls time absolutely controls everything absolutely. There are a few thoughts in the Bible indicating what this means, to have absolute control of everything. A person reading these words may not like them because mankind reasons himself to be free from all authority but himself. The thoughts are written as they are written, giving mankind an understanding of what the Creator is like, being sovereign. It opens God up to reproach because He is God and acts in the manner He chooses. But the reproach of mankind does not change Him. Isaiah 55:8, quote, "For my thoughts are not your thoughts, neither are your ways my ways, saith the Lord," end quote. The first of 6 concepts. First, Genesis 1:14 through 15 and 19, quote, "And God said, Let there be lights in the firmament of the heaven to divide the day from the night, and let them be for signs and for seasons and for days and years. And let them be for lights in the firmament of the heaven, to give light upon the earth. And it was so. And the evening and the morning were the 4th day." Second, Proverbs 16:4, quote, "The Lord hath made all for himself, yea, even the wicked for the day of evil," end quote. Third, Romans 9:22 and 23, quote, "What if God, willing to show his wrath and to make his power known, endured with much long-suffering the vessels of wrath fitted to destruction, and that he might make known the riches of his glory on the vessels of mercy, which he had afore prepared unto glory," end quote. Fourth, Matthew 20:23b, "But to sit on my right hand and on my left is not mine to give, but for whom it is prepared of my Father," end quote. Fifth, Revelation 20:10, quote, "And the devil that deceived them was cast into the lake of fire and brimstone, where the beast and the false prophet are, and shall be tormented day and night forever and ever," end quote. And sixth, Isaiah 57:15, "For thus saith the high and lofty one that inhabits eternity," end quote. God describes himself as being God, having absolute control of all things, from that of creation to that of the destruction of Satan at the end of earth time, openly stating to that evil one what his end already is. The time of his judgment just hasn't caught up with Satan yet. It would seem to us as though everything has been set in existence for the amusement of God, but for one important feature, the destruction of Jesus the Christ on the cross for mankind, that we might live in peace for all eternity. It is not without cost to God, that which he has done. All the reasons for things happening as they do we cannot know, but God has had control of time, events, forever. Eternity forever being his place of habitation.